Galaxy S11 is little more than a speck on the horizon, while official information on the follow-up to the Galaxy S10 is non-existent. Precedent means we can make some educated guesses on what the Korean company has planned. There are also a few things we'd definitely like to see when Samsung announces its next flagship. Samsung's flagship handsets launch like clockwork within the same 2-month period. In either February or March, Samsung will probably host its Unpacked event, a time for the company to unveil its Galaxy S phones, with a public release 1 month later. The Galaxy S9 and S10 were officially announced at Samsung Unpacked in February 2018 and 2019 respectively, and then sold in March of the same year. Any deviation, in the case of the Galaxy S8, for example, is usually only by a factor of 1 month, so we can say with some confidence that the Samsung Galaxy S11 will be shown in February or March of 2020. If we assume that there will be more than one Galaxy S11 handset, we can equally assume that these phones will cater for a variety of budgets. The Galaxy S10e costs $870, which is relatively inexpensive when compared to the $1,600 you can spend on a 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus. The regular Galaxy S10 sits in the middle, costing $1,000 for the 128GB model. You'd hope that a lower-tier Galaxy S11 might avoid the upward trend in smartphone prices by mimicking the Galaxy S10e and skimping on certain features. The fact that it's possible to spend quite so much on a Galaxy S10 handset, however, doesn't bode well for our bank accounts. Expect to pay upwards of $1,000 for a basic Galaxy S11, and don't be surprised if the vast majority of high storage, high memory options come in at over $1,300. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.